If you have ever made short videos only to get stuck editing captions or hunting through files, SubMagic promises to handle it all with AI magic in minutes. SubMagic is an AI-powered video editor built for speed and impact. Just upload your video or a YouTube link, and SubMagic generates accurate subtitles, smart trims, B-roll suggestions, and even hook titles. Think vertical video editing simplified, tailored for creators. But before we dive into the features, let's see what users are saying about it. With a 4.5 out of 5 trust score on Trustpilot backed by over 530 glowing reviews, SubMagic has carved out a name for itself in the creator community. Users consistently applaud the minimal learning curve, no confusing dashboards, no steep tutorials, just upload, edit, and go. The AI captioning accuracy hits 98%, and creators love how natural the timing and formatting feel. No more endless tweaking or manual adjustments. Its built-in stock footage library is another hit. People especially highlight how easy it is to drag and drop B-roll that matches the tone of their videos. Many reviews also mention SubMagic's responsive and helpful support team, calling them quick to reply and willing to go the extra mile. Overall, users say it cuts editing time in half and feels like having a mini editing team in your browser. Now let's discuss the core features of it one by one. So SubMagic kicks off strong with its flagship tool, Generate Caption. Just upload a video under 5 minutes, and it instantly adds trendy dynamic captions and B-roll suggestions. You can tweak language, apply multi-speaker detection, and even translate captions right from the get-go. Once uploaded, SubMagic automatically identifies spoken words and syncs them with stylish templates like Hormozy or Jude, all editable down to font size, color, and position. Plus, its interface is smooth and beginner-friendly, letting you preview, style, and export within minutes. So whether you're building TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, SubMagic makes sure your words pop with just the right emphasis and zero manual syncing drama. Now let's move on to feature number 2. So SubMagic's Magic Clips feature is your shortcut to creating viral short-form content without scrubbing through hours of footage. Just upload your long video and let SubMagic's AI dissect it into multiple short export-ready clips, all smartly framed and timed to capture high engagement moments. You can manually select or auto-approve them, saving you massive editing time, whether it's a podcast, interview, or commentary. The platform handles scene detection, jump cuts, and formatting automatically. So in this example, SubMagic generated 33 separate clips from a single video, all framed, timed, and ready to publish on TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And the best part is you can still go in and tweak, but you don't have to start from scratch. So that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3. SubMagic isn't just an editing tool, it's an automation powerhouse with its SubMagic API and N8N or Zapier integrations. You can automate 70% of your entire content workflow. Imagine this, you drop a video into a Google Drive folder, a new SubMagic project is created, edited, and then auto-uploaded to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or LinkedIn, all without you lifting a finger. You can even connect HeyGen to auto-generate talking head videos and route them through SubMagic for editing. Whether you're building your own pipeline or using a ready-made template, the system supports full end-to-end automation through Zapier and N8N. So this isn't just video editing, this is content ops at scale. So that's the end of the core features. Now let's see who benefits the most from it. So SubMagic is perfect for creators needing consistent short-form content, TikTokers, Instagram Reels creators, YouTube Shorts producers, and social media marketers. It's also ideal for small agencies or teams focused on fast output. Not a tool for long-form editing, this is optimized for bite-sized, high-impact content. So as no tool is perfect, it also has some suggested improvements. It's not perfect, upload speeds can feel slow, reviews say uploading a 5-minute video can take several minutes, and the free tier is extremely limited, only 3 caption clips with watermarks. Plus, the starter plan restricts max video length and custom templates, so if you need precision editing or long-form content, SubMagic may feel restrictive. The good news is SubMagic offers an affiliate program so creators and marketers can earn by referring users. And yes, there is a public API which you can use to automate clip generation or integrate SubMagic's captioning and editing tools into other platforms, which is perfect if you're building automation or internal tools. To wrap it up, SubMagic is a powerful, streamlined editor for short-form video creation. It nails automatic captions, easy trimming, and adds B-roll or visual templates without manual editing. For creators who publish fast and at scale, it's a game changer. It lags with large uploads or long-form editing, but as long as you're focusing on short edits, it makes things faster, easier, and more engaging. If you need batch production or viral-ready subs, SubMagic delivers. Want to speed up your video workflow? Give SubMagic a spin. There's a free trial to test captions and auto clip tools. If this review helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and comment below.